Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this feeder here. And we're gonna open up their entrance a little bit. We're gonna go from that little door that they had as an entrance. And we're gonna make it a little bit bigger. We're gonna go with from that size to that size. Ultimately, once the hive has more population in there, I want to open it up all the way, but I don't think they're ready to protect the whole front of the hive yet.
What is that? Dried sugar?
Again, I think it's just dried sugar in the sugar water. They will ultimately clean it up. Just wanted to get a little, oh, I saw an ant. Get out of there, ant. I didn't see any hive beetles. That was a good thing. All right, there we go. A little bit bigger entrance for them. Got rid of the front feeder. Whoops, see ya, ant. Now that they shouldn't be able to get back up there. So we'll see how they like that. Peace out from Hale's Honey Pot.
Peace.